Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World Videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to Part C, that is Mathematics, for the 2016 JEE Mains paper. We will be following the test booklet code E. For 62, we are given a function 2 plus 3i sine theta divided by 1 minus 2i sine theta, and we need the value of theta or a value of theta for which this is purely imaginary. So we know what we do in these sorts of complex numbers. We just multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So 1 plus 2i sine theta by 1 plus 2i sine theta. This is because this gives me a real number in the denominator, which will be 1 minus 4 sine square theta, 1 plus 4 sine square theta rather, because there's an iota square as well, and we can just multiply these two functions. So we'll get 6, and these two imaginary parts give me we'll get 2 minus 6 sine square theta plus, and we'll have iotas times something, which will be an imaginary term, which is really not needed in this. Now for this number to be purely imaginary, the real part has to be 0, which means 2 minus 6 sine square theta is equal to 0, which gives me sine theta is equal to plus minus 1 by root 3. So one possible answer obviously is theta is equal to sine inverse of 1 by root 3, which gives me option 4 as the answer. This completes the solution. Thank you.